So we have a four question of a word problem. And first one, if three times the larger of the two numbers is divided by the smaller one, we get 4 as a quotient and 3 as the remainder. Also, if the 7 times the smaller number is divided by the larger one, we get 5 as a quotient and 1 as a remainder. Find the number. So, we just multiply and divide with this, and this is quotient, remainder, divisor, dividend. When we divide 7 upon 2, we get this thing. So, here, according to question is, if the 3 times left the larger number be x and the smaller number be y respectively. Then if 3 times the larger of the two numbers, 3 times the larger of the two numbers, 3 times, that means 3 into x is divided by the smaller one, and we have a smaller number, that is 1. We get 4 as a quotient and 3 as a remainder. We have these things, and we wanna make, we have a dividend. Dividend is what? 7x, sorry, 3x is equal to division and percentage, and we have a quotient 4, and divisor is y, and remainder is 3. We get a equation 3x minus 4y minus 3 or equal to 3. That means dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. And another, if the 7 times the smaller number, we have a smaller number y and it's 7 times divided by the larger one is x. From this we get a1y is equal to 5 as a quotient, 5x and 1 as a matrix. That means we get a1y minus 5x is equal to equation second and equation first. And comparing both the equations, we get the value of x and y. That is our larger number and smaller number. Even we can apply cross method to solve this. Now another question. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:6. If 8 is subtracted from each of the number, the ratio becomes 4:5. Find the number. Two numbers are in the ratio. That now x upon y is equal to 5 upon 6. When we cross multiplication of each other, then we get 6x equal to 5y. In another word, if x is subtracted from each the number, when we subtract x, y minus x, we get 4 is to 5. And when we cross multiply 5x minus 40 is equal to 4y minus 32. Then we get 5x minus 4y is equal to minus 32 plus 40. Then we get an equation 8. When we substitute the value of this x is equal to 5 upon 6 in the equation second, we get the value of x and y respectively. In another question, a fraction becomes 4 upon 5 if 1 is added to both numerator and denominator. If, however, 5 is subtracted from both numerator and denominator, the fraction becomes half. What is fraction? The fraction becomes 4 by 5 if 1 is added to numerator and the denominator. Let numerator and denominator x upon y. If 1 is added to both the numerator and denominator, fraction becomes 4 upon 5. When we cross multiply, we get 4y upon 4. That is 5x minus 4y is equal to 4 minus 5. That is 5x minus 4y is equal to minus 1. And another condition, if however 5 is subtracted from both numerator and denominator. If 5 is subtracted, x minus 5, y minus 5, we get half. When we cross multiply, x tan equal to y minus 1. 2x minus y is equal to y. We get second equation and it is our first equation. When we compare both the equations, we get the value of x and y. In another question, a fraction is such that if the numerator is multiplied by 3 and the denominator is reduced by 3. A fraction is such that numerator is multiplied by 3 and the denominator is reduced by 3. We get 18 upon 11. But if the numerator is in another condition, when we solve this, we get an equation. But if the numerator is increased by 8, numerator in another condition, numerator is increased by 8 and denominator is doubled. Denominator is doubled. We get 2 upon 1. When we solve this, we get a equation, and when we compare this, we get the value of x and y. Basically, it becomes 3x minus y minus 2, 18 minus 3x, and another 33x, 18y minus 53, and minus 53. This is the first, and in this 5x plus 40, 4y minus 5x. Okay. Yes. And when we compare both the equation, we get the value of x and y. So in this question, in the first one, we have to just keep in mind one thing, that is dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. How we relate all the terms in a way of word solving skill, we really get the result, because this is orientated as a word problem, not any concept and rule basis. We just keep in mind how to relate, how to define a relation that is already pre-planned relation, not any conceptual relation, just a pre-planned relation.